guys, my name is Alana. Welcome to my channel, Life with Lana. I literally just finished filming my hair video where I showed you guys the before and after of me trimming my hair a couple months ago, and then just the aftermath of the results. So if you're interested, please go check out that video first. But this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I've been styling my hair, what I think is helping it grow, and tips on moving forward if you are someone who wants to try to grow your hair. I've been doing flat twists to my hair. I leave them in for about a week to 2 weeks at most. My hair, typically, I feel like my scalp needs to be cleaned after about that time. Sorry, I keep looking at myself instead of looking at the camera. I moisturize it first. I usually do it wet, like damp, after I like shampoo and condition it, but I'm doing it dry this time because I just blow dried it. I moisturize it with usually like a shea butter and oil, usually sweet almond oil, or I'll use like a bottle of different oils that I made. Then I will use the handy dandy. So I moisturize my hair. I use this on the actual twist to give it that nice lay. And I use Blue Magic. As you can see, it's almost gone. I use Blue Magic on my scalp. I try not to do oils on my scalp. I've noticed that when I just use Blue Magic on my scalp, it is less irritated, less itchy, as opposed to like oiling my scalp every night. That's a no, every other night no. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I am going to do a side part. I'm trying to like grow my edges out as well. That's a whole process. This part up here is like sensitive, so I need to get better at this. I've been trying not to make my part directly there. I've been trying to like go over to where it could be a little more sustained. So if I do make a side part, I'll go like right there, part it as far back as I can. So first off, I just use some silky or satin, I don't know what material this is, silky / satin scrunchies to separate my hair. Once the part is made, I am just going to go ahead and start with my first twist. And the first twist is going to go this way. That's my first part. So now what I do is I'm just going to take my Blue Magic and I'm just going to apply it directly to my scalp. I'm not going to apply it to my hair shaft. And like it really does help with like scalp irritation. So once I apply the Blue Magic to my scalp, I go ahead and I just keep the shea butter in like a little jar. Again, use whatever moisturizer you want. I go ahead and I take a little bit of shea butter and then I dip my finger in some sweet almond oil. It's not a lot at all. And then I just go ahead and apply it to my hair. You can apply it to damp hair. I'm not going to dampen my hair though. So I just go ahead and squeeze that on in there. Then I comb it out. I'm going to, oh my gosh, this is like barely anything in there. And apply it to my roots. Try to get close for you guys. All along the part. I like flat twists. I'm not much of a good like cornrower. Flat twists are pretty easy, and I feel like it's less tension on the hair as opposed to a cornrow. Plus that's what I've heard people say, like who do hair. It's a nice protective style. It looks nice, it looks clean, it's easy to do, it's low maintenance, very, very cheap to do, affordable. All you gotta do is buy the products. So what I'm gonna do, take a small amount in the front here, and I am going to first, before I start twisting down, I'm just going to twist 2 to 3 times. Lays a good foundation for the twist. And then I'm going to add hair and start twisting to the left. So I'm just adding hair. It's hard to explain it, like I'm not a good teacher at this, but I'm gonna try to show you guys what I do. So this is gonna be my overlay of hair, and you can see it's over this. Grabbing and twisting. It's really easy, you guys. You might have to do it a few times to get the hang of it, but make sure you're adding some tension as you pull down. To make sure it's secure. Sometimes I have to like redo a twist, like if I find that it wasn't like tight enough. Like you don't want it to be too tight to where it's causing your scalp to hurt or be irritated, but you want it to be tight enough, like secure enough to where you don't have to worry about it becoming too loose. I just twist it like a 2-strand twist down. And then if you want to secure the ends like with a moisturizer, you could sometimes what I do is like I put shea butter right there, or you can just do more Shine and Jam, and then I put a clip on the end of it just to kind of keep it a little secure. And then if you like the way that is, then you can keep going. That's the first twist. It goes down. So I'm just gonna do that to the entire head. So now I'm just gonna grab all of my twists and I'm going to just scrunchie them all together and then just kind of tuck it under. Some like mousse is Ready, Set, and Hold Aunt Jackie's braid setting foam with biotin and honey. Recently been using it when I do this style. So what I'll do is just, if I can get some out, I'll just kind of, yeah. I'm going to put my scarf on for a little bit, come back and show you the actual finished, complete result. All right, so this is the end result. This has been the life-saving style for me. It lasts all week. Sometimes I leave it a little longer, sometimes I don't. But it is a low maintenance, super easy style to do, and anybody can do it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.